Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Samsung J2 so the update runs smoothly. First, charge to 50% or more and keep the charger connected. This prevents shutdown mid-update. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi because firmware files can be hundreds of megabytes and mobile data may be slow or costly. Make a quick backup of contacts, photos, and system settings. If something goes wrong, you can restore. Now open settings to start the actual update process. Don't skip these steps. You now move into the middle steps. Find settings, tap software update, then download and install. The phone will check for available firmware. When you see a new version, tap download. This pulls the package over Wi-Fi and prepares installation. Make sure you follow on-screen prompts like agreeing to terms and scheduling a restart. During installation, do not power off or remove the battery. Interruptions can corrupt firmware. Depending on size and CPU, this phase typically takes 10 to 30 minutes. You finish by letting the phone restart. It will optimize apps and finalize changes. This can take several minutes. Once you see the home screen, go to Settings, About Phone, Software Info to confirm the new version. If something goes wrong, first reboot the device and try again. If failures persist, boot into safe mode to rule out app conflicts, or use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC to reinstall firmware. These steps restore stability while preserving your data when possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.